If you're a heating and air conditioning technician or even a salesperson, what are 7 ways that you can use video to help you close deals, to learn from a sales expert? And why does it matter? This is a fantastic question. I'm Scott Sylvan Bell, coming to you live from Sacramento, California, on a perfect day to talk about sales and business, and a fantastic day to talk about you. All right, so I'm going to list out a minimum of seven ways for you to use video to help you close some deals in your sales process. Now, got to give you a heads up. I've been using some of these techniques since 2006, right? So it's not like, oh, hey, I'm just kind of thinking about doing this. This is at least 2 decades. 2 decades of me saying these are ways for you to use video. So, 1, a pre-roll bio. Now, you're like, Scott, why does a bio matter in a pre-roll? It matters, but you know what's more important? When somebody sees your face and they hear what you sound like. Like, they're not trying to guess, like, what's this dude or chick going to be like? They're going to be like, oh, I know what Scott sounds like. So, like, if I was to come work with you or your team, or we were going to work individually, we never met before, I'm going to shoot an intro video. Hey, aloha, it's Scott. I'm looking forward to meeting with you. This is what to expect, and this is what we're going to do. Like, oh, now I know. It's like, it's easier to build rapport. It's easier for that person to like you. It's easier for them to be like, oh, like, you know how many times I've been in events and people can pick me out in a crowd. They're like, Scott, I watch your videos, right? It's the same type of a thing, but you're doing it with a potential client. You're making it easier for them to say yes to you and possibly no to your competition. Number 2, you could do a video intro to your agenda, right? Like, so you could send out 2 videos. So the first video is going to go email. Hey, here's a bio. Number 2, hey, here's what to expect in our call, right? I'm just going to line it out. And it can be a generic video that you use over and over and over and over again. The key here is duplication. What can you duplicate to perfection? What can you make that's going to be really easy for people to be like, oh, okay, well, this makes total sense. Oh, you're going to come and meet with me, and here's how much time it takes, and here's the agenda. I'm going to share something with you. I was on a call today, and there was no agenda. And there's a guy named Nick Sonnenberg, and he's got a saying that I freaking love. No agenda, no attenda. Right, Nick? You're an amazing dude. Love you, man. I can't stand meetings that are coffee and donut meetings, meaning that we're just going to talk, and we're going to talk, and we're going to talk, and there's no freaking point to the meeting. Like, oh, it drives me up the wall. Like, I will tell you right now, you put me in a meeting like that, I'm like, time out. What are we doing here? What is going on? Like, I'm not going to sit around for an hour and have a silly conversation, right? And you send me a video like, hey, Scott, here's our agenda. I'm like, oh, I freaking love you. I love you. I really love you. Number 3, a testimonial reel, right? And it doesn't have to be people. It could be stuff on a screen read by AI. It could be the people saying, Scott's the greatest thing since sliced bread. Scott Sylvan Bell is amazing. Scott Sylvan Bell, body language expert. Scott Sylvan Bell, sales training expert. Scott Sylvan Bell, author. Scott Sylvan Bell. Like, all those things allow for someone to hear and see and go, I didn't know that thing about Scott. I like what I hear to say. Like, don't make stuff up, though. Don't write fake reviews. Don't write fake testimonials, okay? Now, here's the thing. If you want to be better at sales, you want to be good at what you do, you should absolutely join my email publication. Go to this URL, type it into a browser, drop in your name, your email address, maybe your phone number. I'll give you the goods. Not on the Facebook group, not the YouTube channel. Private coaching, private training, discounted coaching, discounted training. It's an email publication. You, my friend, will freaking love it. And occasionally I do try to sell you stuff, right? Heads up, my job. I would not be a good salesperson if I didn't try to sell you things every once in a while. Number 4, show and tell. Show and tell is like, hey, here's what you have right now. Here's the state of the union. Here's what you have, my friend. Here is the situation. Here is the project. Here is the product. Here is the service. Here is your building. Here is, like, whatever you're selling. A pre-video is an amazing thing to do, which brings us to number 5, a show and tell video of what the future looks like. Here is what my product looks like. This is what my team looks like. This is what to expect on day 1. This is what to expect on follow-up. This is, like, you're telling the story, and it's like, what it does is it makes a person go, man, you've really thought through this. I am super stoked that you thought through this. And like, I had Bob on a bicycle chucking a truck come out, and the only thing that he did was write down the number on the back of a business card and say, call me, right? Of course his price is going to be less. Of course, like, you want to get the dough, you got to give the show. That's my belief, okay? Number 6, sign language number 6, give part of your presentation. Give the hardest part of your presentation on video, right? Make it short, to the point, 2 to 5 minutes. Here's 2 to 5 minutes. Here's a message from the owner. Here's a message from me. Here's a message from what's going on. And you're like, Scott, I can't believe you're giving this away. Like, I'm a freaking sales expert, right? I've been talking about this stuff for 2 decades. And if someone's like, oh, this is all brand new, I'm going to start training it now too. Like, buddy, you are 2 decades behind. That's fine. I have more content. We're going to be good. Okay. So use it in part of your presentation. Don't mistake. Huge mistake. Don't do your entire presentation on video. Then there's no need for you, right? Key highlights, key information, message from owners, message from managers, warranties and guarantees. But like the entire presentation, no, you're cutting too much out. And then number 7, last on this list is going to be follow-up, okay? An iPhone will shoot video up to 3 minutes. You can send a video for 3 minutes and follow up. So it's like, it's helpful to know, like, I've got an Android right here. I've got an iPhone at the house. So my business line is an iPhone for a freaking reason. Okay. I thought about this. My 808 area code, my business number is an iPhone. So I can send up to 3 minutes to somebody else with an iPhone. In Android, you can get about 30 seconds to about a minute. So like you'd use video to follow up. Hey, what up, brah? It's Scott. Came out and saw you a couple of weeks ago, yesterday, whatever the time frame is. Would love to catch up with you. Oh, by the way, here's an update on what's going on. Any follow-up should not be just like, hey, it's Scott. I'm just calling to follow up. It's a follow-up plus an update. Want to give you an update on what's going on. Hey, there's a special. Here's this promotion. Here's things what are happening. Been talking about this for a decade now. It's not just a follow-up. It's a follow-up message with an update. There you go. 7 ways to use video to close deals, coming from a sales expert. You got 1 of 3 things to do from here. Just 1 of 3. Find the subscribe button. Click on it. Every time I send out a video, you'll get an update. 2, hit follow. 3, share this video with a friend. We'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.